Factor follow-up segment tonight. We have been following the story of Bridget Marks, who lost custody of her twin 4-year-old daughters when a New York City judge ruled that she falsely and illegally accused her husband of sexually molesting the little girl. State law says that if a person does that, they can lose custody of their children. With us now is Tom Shanahan, the lawyer representing Miss Marks. Now, before we discuss, I want to show the audience, in case you didn't see our initial report last week, the harrowing separation of the girls from their mother. Let's roll that tape. Now, some may say that the mother exploited the little girls by having the television cameras there. What do you think about that?
Well, the mother didn't have the television cameras there. The people that were there at the apartment building are women and men that have also had experiences in the family court, which are very frustrating. They came of their own will. No one asked them to come. There were alternate means of turning the children over that we proposed, and those were rejected. For example, one of the proposals was that the children come out of the home with the mother, be put in a cab, and then drive to an undisclosed location. They would call us once they were in the cab. Our concern at that point was with all the media attention outside the house, that would be a dangerous thing to do. So, this is a story, Bill, that has really touched the nerve across America. Oh, absolutely.
When people see this harrowing videotape and see these little girls who've never known another parent but your client, everybody gets involved. But
it's not just that. There are many people throughout this country that are experiencing problems
in family court. I understand that. But this case disturbs me, and I'll tell you why. Let me read you the evaluation of the judge's decision, Judge Goldberg. The mother accused the father of sexually abusing the children. Both the forensic evaluator and social worker believed that those allegations were untrue and that the children were coached to say the father molested them. And this is what they told Judge Goldberg, and what choice did she have? She had to take the kids away, didn't she?
They had their point of view. Celia Blumenthal,
that's testimony.
No, but Celia Blumenthal, who was a child psychiatrist who actually treated the girls after the allegations were made. Our witness said there was a 60 to 70% chance that it happened.
But these are impartial witnesses. These are state employees.
Well, not necessarily.
They're not working for the husband, the guy. They're not working for him. This is the state.
Okay, not necessarily. These are people that are appointed by the court to represent the interests of the child.
Right.
Not only do we say there's a problem with the court, but Chief Judge Kaye has said here in New York State there are fundamental problems. Why? These appointments are not merit-based. There's no supervision.
All right. Do you think the fix was in? That this forensic evaluator and the social worker appointed by the state of New York to guard those little children did something untoward and dishonest?
Well, I'll tell you this much. I know the forensic evaluator in this case didn't meet when he made his custody determination with the girls' teachers, with their nannies, with their friends' parents, to ascertain whether or not this was a proper household. We believe that the court-appointed forensic examiner in this case saw the direction the judge was going, that she didn't like Bridget Marks, and his report is consistent with what the attitude the judge was giving from the bench.
All right. Now, where are the little girls at this moment?
I can't disclose where they are at the order of the court.
Are they in the custody of the father?
Yes, they are.
Oh, so the father has them out of the state of New York?
Correct.
The state?
Correct.
And where is the mother now, Miss Marks? She's here?
She's here in New York. We'll be appearing before Judge Goldberg again tomorrow, and the case will continue. We're waiting for Judge Goldberg to issue her final ruling in this case. She only issued an interim decision, so we don't have the right to seek a stay.
The judges don't overrule themselves usually. So tomorrow you're going to go in and you're going to ask Judge Goldberg to reverse herself and bring the children back to the mother.
Now, tomorrow pertains to additional issues that are unresolved in the case. We're waiting for Judge Goldberg to issue, and we hope she'll issue it by some point next week, the final decision, so we can go back to the appellate division here in New York State and seek a stay pending the appeal of this decision.
Does Ms. Marks have any contact with the children at this point? Can you talk to them on the phone?
She speaks to them for approximately 5 minutes every day.
On the phone?
On the phone.
Oof. You know, this is what happens when people hate each other, when they get involved with each other, and I just feel very bad for the children. We appreciate you coming in. We'll keep everybody posted on the case, and our primary consideration is for the little children, of course. Thanks, Counsel.
Thank you.
When we come right back.